Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene with the UFO coming out of a computer screen, like you see on the screen right now. We'll start out on the edit page. I got the media from Pixabay, this one as well, but I had a background on it. I had to take the background out and make it transparent. This one's a still, there's no movement in it, so we're going to use a corner positioner, not the planar tracker. But we need to make a fusion clip first. I want to make these both the same length. And then right click on it, new fusion clip. Now it won't go any longer than that. We're going to put this one on the computer and go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That is why it's up on the screen in the way. We can go to one viewer for this. Bring the media down that we're going to put on the computer. Merge it into the media in 1 and select the media in 2. Shift space and corner positioner. Now we just have to match these corners up with the corner of the computer. You can also use the controls in the inspector to move the corners. I don't have a middle mouse wheel on my handicap controller. That is why I use this drop-down menu, in case you guys all wonder why I do it this way. Something like that. Now we'll bring in the UFO. Merge it into merge 1. It'll make another merge. And select that merge. We'll go to the inspector. And go something like that. Make sure the playhead is on frame 0. I'm on a 30 FPS, by the way. You may have to adjust accordingly. And this is a 15-second clip. Set a keyframe in the center and the size. I'm going to advance 100 frames. Bring it into something like that. Advance 50 more frames. Set a keyframe on both of them again. Advance 50 more frames to 200. Now we'll take the center X and move it to the right. And make it just a little bit bigger. Advance 50 more frames to 250. Set a keyframe on both of them again. Advance 50 more frames. And back to the center. And we'll move it over to the left. And make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to advance probably about 60 more. And set 2 more keyframes. I'm just going to advance 40 more frames this time. And take it off the screen. Open your spline. Close that window with the little shrink button. If you click on these 3 little dots, you can select Show Only Selected Tool. That way it'll only show whichever one you're working on. You won't, or else you'll have all of them in there. It gets a little confusing then. Zoom to fit. Select all, or you can highlight them and hit F on the keyboard. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.